Jaden. Welcome back to Life with Paulette. So today is going to be a very quick video. As you all know, today's the 21st of September, so you all, a week from now, you will get this video, meaning that my birthday was today, and a week after you can still wish me happy birthday if you want to. But what I'll ask for you guys is to go on there and wish me happy birthday, subscribe to my channel, and like this video. Alright, and I'll be right back to let you all know what is on my skin and what signature select I am using at this time. Hey, so I'm back. So I just wanted to do a quick video with you guys because I just got back from my birthday dinner. I am exhausted. However, though, I wanted to come on here and let you all know what I did today for my skin. I have on what they call a purifying mask, and this is a signature select purifying mask. And what this is what it does is it cleans out and it take out all that excessive oils out of your skin. So that's what you see here is purifying. And what I used was this little brush that I think it's like a perm brush or some type of hair brush that you add your perm with, or maybe a dye. I'm not 100% sure, but I didn't have anything else but this, and it's clean and new, so I use this instead. It's very gentle on my skin. So I went on, and what is the Signature Select purifying mask? What it does, so a lot of time we tend to have excessive oils on our skin, so what this mask will do is it will help observe all that extra excessive oils that's in our skin to set our tone for the next day with a more fresh look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you all know what I did. So I opened it up. As you can see, I already used it, and I just dabbed it in and I just painted it all on. So what you want to do with this product is you do not want to get it near your eyes. I apologize for the noise in the background. Kids are looking at Daniel Tiger. You don't want to get this product near your eyes nor near your lips, which this bathroom is hot, so I'm sweating here. But you want to keep it away from eyes and lips. And once you apply this product on, you want to leave it to about, I would say, 5 to 7 minutes or until dry. But right now, because of this excessive, my skin is naturally oily, so I do have excessive oils, so I may need to leave mine a little bit longer so it can dry. But right now, this is all the excessive oils that is pulling out and purifying. So after this totally dries, I'll just get warm water, wash it off. Another tip I want you all to know in regards to this product is you can use this about 3 to 4 times. Prior to this one, I explained to everyone what each one does. If you follow me on Facebook, I also added information, and also on my Instagram, Life with Paulette has information in regards to each one of these products of how to use them. And I'm also doing these YouTube videos to help you guys better understand the process. Okay, so you can use these 3 on your skin all at once in different areas, but I choose to use 1 at a time. So I'm going to use probably 3 to 4 out of the 5 per week, depending on what it is that my skin needs for that day or that next day that I'm looking for. So right now it's hot. Excessive oils is in my skin, and I want to get them basically toned down, so I'm using my purifying mask. Any other questions that you all could think of to ask in regards to this product, please comment in the box below. You can also DM me, or you can shoot me a WhatsApp for those that has my WhatsApp number. But yeah, this is an awesome product, and I'll let you all know the result once I finish wash this off. And as you can see, it's drying, but it's hot. So right around here is excessive. All these areas like my nose, right here, forehead, is excessive oils, you know, right around the side. So we're gonna get in there, and once it's all done, or you feel confident that it's right around the 5 to 7 minutes, just go ahead and wash it off. So prior to this, I already cleansed my skin with my Artistry Youth Extend, and right now I'm treating it with my purifying mask, and then I'm going to follow it up with, I'm going to wash it with warm water, and then I'm going to follow it up with what they call my toner, and then I'm going to treat it with some Signature Select serum and my nighttime moisturizer, or daytime, depending on the time of the day that you have to use this product. All right, and I'll be right back after my wash. See you soon. Hey, and we're back. So just now I just finished washed off all that purifying mask that I had on, and you all can see, you know, it just absorbed all that excessive oils that was in my skin and purified them. So tomorrow is church day, and I'm gonna look all glowy again. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use what they call the spot corrector. And a lot of you that on my international customers, you know what this is. And basically the spot correctors, I know I'm having after my monthly, I tend to have a few little spots that just won't go away. So I just apply that directly on that spot, rub it in, because I'm treating right now since I already finished up with all the other stuff. What they call like cleanse, I treated, I tone. Right now I am putting on my extra treatment before I basically add my moisturizer. Okay, and you don't have to put it all over. I normally tend to put it right on that spot, like the cheekbones here, but some people, you can just concentrate on that area, like that spot or that spot or that spot if you really want to. Or you can just put it all over. The product is definitely for all over the skin, the face. Some people ask if they can use this product to put, you know, all over, like, you know, their hand or elbows and stuff like that, because they probably have little dark areas around here. I don't advise you waste. For me, this is a waste. I would prefer to use like cocoa butter or coconut oil or something other than you buying this little tube to put all over your skin. I prefer to use it from my neck up. Okay, so just to let you know, this is from the Ideal Radiance area. This is a spot corrector. If you are in the international business, basically we do have these. Most of the products down there right now is what they use is the Artistry Youth Extend serum, and that also is for spots and for do extra correction on your skin and to level out and tone out the dark spots and get everything all one same color. So that's also awesome down there. That's a hot seller. The spot corrector and the serum down there in the international business. So stay tuned, and then I'm gonna finalize this with what they call my serum and my nighttime lotion. All right, so I'm about to finish this thing up with my Signature Select serum, and if you have not yet watched my videos prior to this one in regards to all the Signature masks and Signature Select ones, I was doing the review on this product. You may want to go back and check it out, but this is an amazing product. You can actually treat 3 different areas of your skin, or trouble areas I called it, all at once in one serum. So you can ask questions about that also. So I'll apply that in, and basically don't forget your lips. And then I'm going to top it off with my nighttime lotion. And it's hot in Hawaii, guys, so I ain't going to be trying to put no whole lot of lotion on. So I do 1 pump and I split it up like this. I dab. And as you can see, I'm already glycerin. And we're actually done. Where you going, Jaden? So there you go. I have nighttime lotion on So my routine is completed. I cleanse. I basically treated with my Signature Select mask. Sorry about the noise. Signature Select mask, and I basically tone, and then I treat it again with my spot corrector. You know, trying to get these 3 little areas right here lighter than what they are, thanks to the free radicals out there. But I got that solution. And then I added my serum on my skin, and then I topped it off with my moisturizer. So the moisturizer is basically like a sealant. It's where you're sealing everything that you apply, you seal it in to protect. And there you go, voila. If you need sample or would like to have a sample of one of those select brands up there, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to send you all some samples so you can try it for yourself, because I think it's a hands-on product. You may want to touch it, feel it, smell it for yourself, and I do have samples, so yay for free samples. So yeah, this is the look after, and you know, we're done. I'm here every Sunday, so please look forward to coming on and chiming on, showing some love, share some videos, like, comment, and support your girl. All right, Life with Paulette, and here we are. Love y'all. Bye.